How to reset water filter alarm on Hisense refrigerator. There are three ways to go about this. That alarm flashing on your Hisense fridge, here's how to reset it. The first method is the button method. Press and hold the filter button. Hold this for 3 to 5 seconds. The alarm will stop, the light will turn off, and the fridge will beep and reset the alarm. It's that easy. Now, the other option would be the power method, which is quite quicker. Just turn off the fridge, unplug it from power, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in, restart the fridge, and you should see a notable difference when the fridge finally comes on. Now, the third method is the fridge settings, which is a bit more technical. So you have to go into the settings or the menu on the fridge, press ice or water button until the filter resets. So you're going to press and hold until the filter actually resets. Once you've pressed and held till the filter resets, the alarm will simply turn off. So guys, there are three ways to go about this. They are really easy. So try them out.